Diamond Glass offers your car windows extreme repellency to water, ice and dirt. This nano-diamond coating is easy to apply with long-term professional results offering up to 1 year of hydrophobic protection. Applying Diamond Glass. To ensure proper application, curing and enduring effect, apply Diamond Glass in an enclosed, out-of-direct sunlight, well-ventilated indoor area, which is 10 to 30 degrees Celsius or 50 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, with a humidity not exceeding 70%. In order to apply, you will need the following: fresh microfiber towels, Diamond Glass Prep, our nano-diamond cleaning solution, an applicator and protective gloves. Before the application of Diamond Glass, ensure all surfaces are free of dirt and other pollutants and prepared for a nano-diamond coating by using Diamond Glass Prep. Then, using a microfiber towel, wipe down the surface to remove any and all residue left from cleaning and allow to dry completely. Once your surface is prepared, shake the bottle of Diamond Glass for 15 seconds, then apply 15 drops to the applicator. Next, apply Diamond Glass onto the glass elements using a cross-hatch pattern. Apply more drops as necessary. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, allowing Diamond Glass to adhere to the surfaces. You'll know it's ready when the solvent evaporates and the composite dries, leaving small traces of residue across the glass. This indicates that the glass surface has absorbed the coating and is ready for buffing to remove the excess material. Polish the treated surfaces with a fresh microfiber towel to evenly spread throughout while leveling. Your glass surfaces are now ready for the road. Diamond Glass is our unique film-free glass protection solution that provides extreme repellency of water, ice and dirt from glass surfaces, dramatically improves vision during rain, reducing glare, and allows removal of dirt and bugs with ease. It is silicone and wax-free. Proper application will result in up to 1 year of hydrophobic protection.